So welcome to my first video trying to help you understand a little bit about chemistry and the course that you've gotten yourself into. So the obvious question is, what is chemistry? Sometimes we call chemistry the central science, and that's how I like to think about it. Chemistry, for me, has been a lot of fun to discover and learn how to teach. My background actually is in biology, and so thinking long and hard about the best way to understand chemistry and present it and give students an opportunity to manipulate the ideas of chemistry, well, that's what my course is all about. But what is chemistry? I think you probably have lots of ideas, and they're all very valid because chemistry actually is all around us. But we call chemistry the central science, and we do that for a reason. The idea of being central means being integral, or maybe in the middle. And in this case, I think it means in the middle. We think of chemistry as linking physics, which you previously have taken, which deals with energy and its transformation. It teaches a little bit about the atomic model and phases of matter. And it talks about forces of attraction, the clinginess, the Velcro forces that allow pieces to stick together. For instance, in physics, you likely learned about the different phases of matter and how they behave, liquids and solids and gases. And then it's connected to biology, which is your next stop in the Pomfret curriculum, because biology increasingly talks about molecular systems, the organization of the elements, the atoms, how they connect to make molecules, and how those molecules then are organized to create living systems. So we call chemistry the central science because it's smack in the middle of those two things. I once had a physics professor who told me, well, why would you bother to study chemistry because it's all physics? And I had a chemistry professor say, why would you bother to study biology? It's really all chemistry. And I think all of those statements are really true. Now, of course, it's important to study because it's all around us. Chemistry is everywhere. Every breath that you take, you are taking into your lungs billions of molecules. But what are they? What are they comprised of? How do they react with us and with each other? That's what chemistry is all about. Now, in the summer reading, you probably recall learning about making atoms, trying to synthesize new elements.